So my screen is visible for you? Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Visible, right? Fine. So, like I said, okay, India has already second largest internet users. Okay, so we stand at second position in the world. So many internet users we have. Okay, so according to you, who may be at first position? Okay, earlier we were at third position. Okay, so second position was for USA, but thanks to Geo, 1 GB free per day, right? So we are at second position. Okay, so at first position, obviously it's a China. Okay, so additionally, now Indian government had started a scheme called Digital India Campaign, right? So what do you know about Digital India Campaign? Have you heard about this campaign? So see, in Digital India Campaign, government is promoting online media. Okay, indirectly they are promoting this online media. So all government works and tasks they are redirecting to digital platforms. We call it as e-governance. Okay, so even this government has brought UPI like Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, what we do, right? So now digital media has not only limited to promotion purpose nowadays. It has become a movement now. Like how during the freedom fight, Gandhiji has started Satyagraha movement, right? So this is a digital movement. So this is the right time to gain these skills. And apart from that, you might be knowing, right? India is an youngest country, one of any youngest country, where we have 40% of youth populations. Okay, so if any company, if they want to reach these youngsters, whether it's Tata, Reliance, whichever company, they have to use this digital media. They don't have any other option, right? So you can see this day by day, the number of internet users are increasing, right? So these are the digital marketing trend over past 14 years. Okay, so worldwide also you can find this graph is going on higher position. Similarly, in India as well. So even you can find out on Google Trends this thing. Okay. So this is one interesting fact: TV versus internet ad spending. Okay, so you can see here in this particular graph, you can see TV ad spending. This particular graph is going down. Right after 2016, internet ad spending graph has overlapped this TV ad spending. So why is this happening, and what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is now the companies, whether it's a small company or a big organization, they are spending more on internet ads rather than television ads. They have reduced their television ad spending. Okay, so what might be the reason? You can take your own example. Now, suppose if you are watching TV, okay, you are watching some serial or movies or television, okay, and suddenly when ads come. So what you guys do? So you are watching the TV, okay, any serial of which you like, serial or a movie, okay, and suddenly ads come. What you do? So most of people, what they do, they skip the channel. Okay, in my case, I do the same. Okay, so whenever I am watching some news or something or anything, so I just, if some ad comes, I will just change the channel. I can see news or some songs or anything in that particular gap. And suppose if you want to place ad on television, it's not cost effective, right? You have to pay huge amount to TV channels. And at the end, what happening? They are not getting the viewers. What we are doing? We are skipping the channel. Okay. So that's the reason now companies got to know that, okay, I'm spending crores of rupees, but to watch my ads, I don't have any viewers because they are skipping the channel. Obviously, on YouTube as well, you have a skip option, right? You have seen that skip ad, right, on YouTube. But when that particular skip ad button comes, have you observed anyone skip button when it comes on YouTube? After what duration? Yes, just guess.
5 to 10 seconds, sir.
5 to 10 seconds. Okay. So max to max, after 5 seconds, that skip button will come. 5 seconds. Okay. And there are few ads where you won't find a skip button itself. You have to watch those ads compulsory. Okay. So 5 seconds are more than enough for branding your product or services. It's more than enough, right? And suppose if you like that particular ad, you can watch those whole ads, okay, without skipping that particular ad. So that's the reason now companies are spending more on internet ads compared to television. Okay, so at the end, what's happening here? So internet ad spending are increasing. It means even people need a skillful people. Skillful employees they need, skillful staff they need to know how to run digital marketing, right? So you guys will get to know, okay, how I can promote particular product with the help of social media, with the help of Google, with the help of YouTube and all these things, right? So here demand and supply is not matching, okay, in case of digital marketing. So even if it comes for a job, okay, in market you can find many job opportunities in this digital marketing field. But due to lack of awareness, students don't know this digital marketing field. Obviously, you guys are using Facebook, Instagram, you might be having followers and likes and all those stuff. But you guys don't know how to make career in this particular field. Okay, so do you guys have an Instagram account? Yes. Does anyone here who have 1,000+ followers on Instagram? Anyone? Yes. No, nobody. 500 followers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 500 followers you guys have. Okay. So I will come on this point later. Okay, why I asked you this question. So apart from that, even you can work with the e-commerce companies such as Flipkart, Snapdeal, Ola, right? Because these companies are doing their business with the help of this digital media, and obviously they will prefer a person who has a skills with digital marketing. Okay, so rather than hiring normal MBA graduate, they will prefer MBA with digital marketing, because you guys know what digital marketing is all about. Okay, and their businesses, obviously they work with the help of digital media. And if you want to make career in this field, you should not have any technical thing or something. You should not have to be a programmer or an IT specialist. No. Okay, so even I am an MBA graduate, right? I am not from any engineering background or something. Then too, I can design a website. I'm into this field from past 5-6 years, right? I'm promoting different companies. So even you can do these things, right? So even if you want to check a job, so you can just go to Naukri.com and search for digital marketing. So monthly, you may find around 25,000-30,000 vacancies, even in this situation as well. Okay, in digital marketing. So this was the data from 2018. So there were around 8 lakh job opportunities. Okay, in 2018. So suppose now you guys know digital marketing. So what are the career opportunities in this digital marketing? So So you can work as a digital marketing strategist, you can work as a digital marketing executive, you can work as an SEO analyst or an AdWords specialist. Okay, so what do you mean by SEO and AdWords? I will just show you one example. Okay, my screen is visible for you. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see, basically on Google, okay, so what we do, we search like a keyword or a key phrase. So this is what we call as a key phrase or a keyword. So hotels in Bangalore, I'm searching for hotels in Bangalore because I don't know which is the best hotel in Bangalore, or even I won't remember any name of hotel, right? So basically I search on Google similar way, like hotels in Bangalore, hotels in Goa, resorts in Goa, similar. Okay, now you can just see these things. goibibo.com. Can you find this AD thing? Ad. So this is an ad. This is what we call as a search ad or a PPC ad, pay per click ad. I will just scroll down, booking.com. Even this is an ad. Then agoda.com. Even this is an ad. Trivago.com. Ad. Okay, I will just scroll down. Okay, so now here you can see, here you won't find ad.com. Here as well you won't find ad. Okay, so this is what we call as search engine optimization, SEO. Okay, and here you might be getting a question, why this goibibo is coming at third and Trivago is coming at fourth position. So this thing works on bidding. Okay, it's kind of an auctioning. Okay, now here, like I said, we call it as PPC ad, pay per click ad. Okay, so Trivago might be bidding for 10 rupees per click. It means if someone clicks on this particular ad, 10 rupees will be deducted from Trivago and it will go to Google. Similarly, this agoda.com has bidded for 20 rupees. Booking.com has bidded for 30 rupees and goibibo has bidded for 50 rupees. So it means if someone clicks on this particular ad, 50 rupees will be deducted from goibibo and it will go to Google. Okay, so that's the reason what we call this ad as pay per click. So as a digital marketer or as a Google AdWords specialist, my task is to set this particular bid, to set the budget. So what will be the ad budget for Belgaum location? What will be the ad budget for Goa location? What will be the ad budget for Bangalore location? So how much my competitor is bidding, whether he is bidding for 20 rupees per click or 30 rupees. So how much I will be placing the bid, whether I will be placing 40 rupees, 50 rupees bid similarly. Okay, and we have to design this particular ad. So this is a task of us. Okay, so this is the work of us as a PPC expert. Okay, pay per click expert or an AdWords specialist. Okay, so similarly, I will just scroll down. Like I said, here you won't find AD here as well, right? So this is what we call as SEO, search engine optimization. So here we won't pay money to anyone. Here we are not paying to Google. Okay, but here they have a team of SEO experts. Like Make My Trip might be having SEO experts team of 50-60 people. Their job is, if someone is searching on Google hotels in Bangalore, our website should show up on Google first page. Now, like I just scroll down. Even you can take your own example. When we search something on Google, we won't go to second, third page or fourth page. We only see the first page and we take a decision. So on first page, you have only max to max, you have only 18 listings. So these SEO, you will find 10 listings, and this ads here for, and sometimes even you may see the ads at bottom. So max to max, you have 18 positions on Google's first page. Okay, and there are thousands of companies, and every company want their website to be shown on Google's first page. So who can bring these, or who can bring their website on Google first page? People like us. We know how to get those websites on Google's first page. So that's the reason even in market there is a huge demand for SEO specialists and AdWords specialists. Okay, because now Google is a first impression. Now suppose I am running a company and if I don't have presence on Google, it means my business doesn't exist. Because Google, like I said, is a first impression. Okay, people search on Google first, then they take a decision. Okay, so apart from SEO specialist or Google AdWords specialist, even you can make career as a social media specialist. So here your task will be to promote products or services with the help of social media. Like you will be promoting your ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, like skippable ad or all those things. Okay. Even you can be an e-commerce specialist. So this particular position is available with the e-commerce companies like Flipkart, Snapdeal. Okay. Even you can work as a web analyst. So web analyst, the task of web analyst will be to make an analysis. Suppose I have a website, klemba.com. So from where my audience are visiting, whether they are coming from Goa, whether they are coming from Kolhapur, okay, what is their age group? Okay, whether they are searching my website with the help of mobile or with the help of desktop, okay. So that thing you'll be able to track it out with the help of analytics. Okay, so there are various tools available in digital marketing. Okay, so with the help of those tools, you'll be able to track these all things. Okay, so even you can be an online leads manager. So leads are nothing but a sales, a step before a sales, right? So with the help of digital marketing, you'll be able to generate a sales, or even you'll be able to generate a business. Okay, so now the days have been gone. Like earlier, we used to do door-to-door selling, right? Obviously, even now, Eureka folks are working traditionally, like door-to-door selling and all that stuff. But it's almost dead. Okay, So now suppose if you have a laptop, if you have a smartphone, with the help of those devices, you'll be able to sell any product or any services. So here as an online lead manager, my task would be to generate a business with the help of digital media. Even you can start your entrepreneur journey. Okay, you can be an online entrepreneur. You can be a web content manager. Okay, so the task of web content manager is nothing but to create a content, okay, on for your website or for your social media, okay, or whichever app. Okay. The content should be like it should be so effective that people should get engaged with that particular content. So how to create those content and all practically will be seen it later. Okay, because you guys will be creating your box as well. Okay, in future. Okay. So even you can work as an email marketing specialist. So here my task as an email marketer would be to promote my products with the help of email. Now, like you guys said, you do an online shopping as well on Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, right? So suppose if they are running any offers or discounts, you might be getting their promotional emails, Big Billion Day and all those stuff, right? So the task of email marketer is to design the template, and in bulk you have to promote your emails. You have to shoot the emails and all those stuff. You can be an online reputation manager. So nowadays, even for this particular position, there is a huge demand, online reputation manager. So here what we will be doing? Here we'll be handling a reputation of particular politician or a public figure or a company. Okay, now for example, you can take Narendra Modi. Okay. So Narendra Modi is very busy person, right? Then too, he is very much active on social media. Okay, and all this digital media. Okay. So on behalf of him, his online reputation team will be working. Similarly, you can take example of Rahul Gandhi or Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar. They all are busy persons, right? But then too, they are active on social media. So here, our task or job will be to manage their reputation online. Now, suppose if someone is searching for Akshay Kumar on Google, there should not be any negativity against him. That is our job. Okay, to maintain their positivity on online media. So whether you take example of Deepika Padukone or Akshay Kumar, any celebrity, they have their special online reputation team. Okay, so even you can work as an online reputation manager as well. Okay, and obviously for politicians, it's a mandatory nowadays. Okay, so whether it's a local politician or any national level politician. Okay. So this particular article has come on November 2018 on Times of India. Demand exceeds supply for jobs in digital marketing and artificial intelligence. So there is a huge demand, but there is not much supply. Because like I said earlier, the awareness level is a bit lower in this digital marketing case. Okay. So if you want to make career in this digital marketing field, as a fresher, you may get salary up to 4 lakhs. But like if you get an experience, it may go up to 1 million. Okay, even you can check this thing on payscale.com. Okay, so on whichever field if you want to make a career, you just go to Payscale and search for that particular keyword. Like I've searched for digital marketing. So according to their research, in India, as a fresher, you may get this much of salary. Okay. Now, if you take 1 year of experience and if you get go to Accenture, so with 1 year of experience and in Accenture, they will pay you a package up to 7.5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Similarly, after taking 2 years of experience, you can switch to Deloitte. Deloitte is one of the company, right? So they pay around 13 lakhs of package. So it keeps on multiplying. Okay, or else even you can start your own business or something. Okay. So and this field will be like interesting field. You have to work on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It's not any boring stuff. You should not have to do programming or do selling kind of thing. Okay, so this is very interesting stuff. Okay. Apart from jobs, even you can work as a professional blogger. Okay, so what do you mean by blog? So blog is nothing but a website, but it keeps on updating. So in future, even you guys will be starting your own blogs. Okay, now suppose Narayan is interested in technology. So he will start creating a blog or a website related to technology. He will post something like upcoming mobiles under 20,000. Okay, upcoming laptop or something. Okay, so at start point, he might be getting 20-30 visitors to read his article. But the day will come where he is getting on daily basis 100 to 200 visitors. Okay, the readers for his blog. So at that time, what Narayan will do, he will tie up with Amazon or Flipkart, okay, and their products he will showcase on his blog or a website. So if somebody from his visitors click on that particular link and purchases the product from Amazon or Flipkart, Narayan will earn a commission. Right? Commission may vary from 2% to 20%. Okay. So that is what we call as affiliate marketing. Okay, that is what we call as affiliate marketing, where we will be promoting a product of other organization or company, and on that we will be earning a commission. Okay, so even you can work as an affiliate marketing. You can start your own freelancing services. So freelancing services in the sense, by sitting at home as well, you can start providing the services of digital marketing. Like I said, even I run an institute for digital marketing. So I have one student, okay, his name is Omkar Kote. So he is only 12th pass. Okay, he is only 12th pass. And now recently he has joined the BBA this year. And last month, I guess 3 months back, he earned around 32,000 rupees by providing these freelancing services. So he got around 3 US projects. On that projects, he earned 32,000 rupees. So on monthly basis, now he is earning 15-20,000. He's just a kid. 12 means his age would be like 19 or 20, max to max. Recently, he has joined a BBA in Jain College. Okay, now, so side by side, along with studies, he has started earning as well. Okay, so even this thing you will get with the help of digital marketing. Even you can start your freelancing services as well. Any expertise you have, because see, and that to legitimate way. So in market, you can find many data entry job and all those stuff. They will say you just pay me 5,000 rupees, I will give so and so job, and on behalf I will pay you this much amount. But 90% are fake. Okay, but here it's not like that. Okay, we will be showing you legitimately how you will be able to earn the money. Okay, so with the help of digital marketing, even you can start your freelancing services. Even you can start your own startup or any agency. Now, you guys are starting some business or you have any idea of startup. Even for that particular business and startup, you need a digital marketing to promote it, to promote your product or services, right? So this particular skills won't go waste. Okay, so this will be helpful to you whole lifetime. Okay, even you can become a YouTuber. So you might have seen, right? So YouTubers are earning crores of rupees. So even you can earn. Okay, even you can earn good amount of money with YouTube. Okay, so how to do this YouTube as well? We are going to see this in further classes. Okay, I'll be teaching you these things as well. Okay. Even you can become an influencer. Influencer marketing is nothing but it is a form of collaborative marketing. Okay, where business collaborate with the influential persons or people to promote their product or services. Okay, like you can take example of celebrity endorsement. Okay, like why people take Aishwarya Rai for or Kareena Kapoor for Lakshya, because she influences her masses, right? So, like I asked you guys, how many followers you have on Instagram? Because suppose if you guys have 10,000 followers, suppose now Narayan has an Instagram account and he posts something related to food every time on Instagram. So slowly his fan following will start increasing. Suppose he gets 15 to 20,000 followers on Instagram. So at that particular time, what happens? These restaurant people will start approaching Narayan. And they will just invite him for dinner or lunch. And they will ask him that Narayan, just place some good positive feedback. We will pay you this much amount, 5,000 or 10,000 amount. So here, what Narayan is getting, free food in restaurant, okay? And apart from this, even he is getting paid for normal posting something, that's it. So why he is getting paid? Because he has an ability to influence 15 to 20,000 people on Instagram. Okay, so nowadays even influencer marketing is trending. So in India, a biggest influencer is Virat Kohli. He gets 1.35 CR per post on Instagram. So why companies are paying him so much amount? Because he has so many followers. He can influence the masses. Right? So Kelly Jenner, okay, she gets 7 crores for one post on Instagram. So in 2020, she topped a youngest billionaire, self-made billionaire list, Kelly Jenner. Okay. So even she is an influencer. So even you can be an influencer. Okay, so digital marketing is not about just finding the jobs. So suppose if you want to make career in digital marketing, you can stand on your own feet. Whether you're in India or else whether you're staying in UK or USA, there as well you can survive with the help of this particular skills, digital marketing. And in digital marketing, you'll be getting the freedom of work. If you have a laptop, internet, that's it. By sitting at home as well, you can start doing work. Okay, work from home kind of thing. Okay. Now, by sitting in Belgaum, we promote our client from USA, from Spain. So even you can do this. Okay. So do you guys have any doubts or question in this particular session, today's session? Yes. Any questions or any doubts? No?
Sir,
Yes?
hello.
Okay.
Sir, can anyone rank their website in 1 month?
Yes? Can you just repeat?
Sir, can anyone rank their website in 1 month?
No, 1 month it's not possible. 1 month it's not possible. It depends on competition level. Okay, it depends on competition level. Now, suppose in Belgaum, if I don't have much competition, it's possible. Okay, so we will come to that particular thing when we learn SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so there will be learning this thing in bit detail. Okay, but mostly when we take some SEO project, we take 6 months duration and minimum 3 months duration. Okay, obviously if you want to make an ad, it's possible within 5 minutes as well. You can rank your website. Okay, but with the help of SEO, it's not possible. Okay, it depends on competition level. That thing we will see it in SEO. Okay, then hope you enjoyed. It's not boring, right?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So